In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on data roaming on any iPhone. Before to watch the video to the very end, so you don't make any mistakes. And let's get started. First of guys, we need to head over to the settings. After that, just stop right here at cellular. Here and that position, as you can see, I have the physical SIM cards installed in my iPhone. So now I need to choose one of them to configure. Let it be that one. And that's where we can easily find the option, which is called Data Around Me. And we can easily activate it by tapping right here. The same thing we can do for our another SIM card. Just like that. If you have just one SIM card installed here, then you will find somewhere here, instead of SIM cards, the option, which may be called something like cellular data options, then just to get Indeed. And on the next you'll be able to activate Data Around Me for your SIM card. Basically, guys, so if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button.